everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can find your KW Market Center DBA logos as well as your generic Keller Williams logos. So the first thing we want to do is we want to log into Command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. And once we are logged in, we are going to navigate to the Connect platform within Command. We'll click Connect in our top banner, and we're going to click Browse All. Now there's a couple ways we can go about searching for this. We can use this search bar up at the top and search for logos. We can search Browse All, which is going to search within this screen we are currently in. So if we scroll down, we would be able to search for any of these topics. Or we can scroll all the way down to our New Associate Essentials. Past it. I'm going to search right here. So we'll say New Associate Essentials. And we'll see it pop up right here, our Welcome New Associates tab, and we'll say New Associate Essentials. And then you're going to want to go to this Logos and Branding tab right here. So we'll go there. So you'll see your KW Identity and Style Guide, Ownership Statement, Onboarding Guide, the primary KW logo collection right here. So that is going to be the full set of Keller Williams primary logos along with their EPS files. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see Market Center logos, where you can either search by Market Center name or your Market Center number, if you know that. So you can search through here. So we can say Market Center 25, if we know our Market Center number, and we can select it right there. You'll see that logo preview right here, and we can download the logo directly here. It's going to download as a zip file where we will be able to find all of our Market Center logos in the different formats. So there'll be some in JPEG and PNG formats and things like that. So you'll be able to find those, as well as some different color variations that you'll be able to find in there. If you scroll down, you're going to see the different Keller Williams logo variations. So primary logos, again, that's what we saw up at the top. Primary logos with the word realty, real estate, or the KW informal logo, linear informal, or the 1KW logos right here. So we'll be able to go in and find those. Each of these are going to download that file that we can save from there and use from there. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.